Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Yaheetech 22.4-inch outdoor folding tanning chair. There are features include 5 adjustable positions. The backrest of this patio tanning chair offers 5 positions, from 138 degrees to 180 degrees, allowing you to find your ultimate relaxing angle. Whether you're enjoying sunbathing, taking a nap, or reading, this versatile lounger serves as your personal outdoor retreat. Soft and resilient fabric. Crafted from 600D Textilene, this garden folding tanning bed features fabric that is soft to the touch yet resilient. Known for its breathability, quick drying, sun resistance, and durability, this sling fabric ensures comfort while withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. 3 legs, balanced. Stability. This outdoor folding lounger features a robust 3-leg design with 1 central leg and 2 on each side for optimal balance and stability. Paired with resilient 550 grams Textilene fabric, it supports up to 265 pounds, ensuring secure and reliable comfort for all your outdoor lounging needs. Compact and portable. This adjustable garden lounging bed folds to a compact size of 29.5 inch, length, 22.4 inch, wide, 5.5 inch, height. It fits easily in your car trunk or held by your shoulder, making it simple to transport and take to your ideal sunbathing spot, whether it's the beach or your garden. Quick folding mechanism for effortless setup. This outdoor lounging bed features a simple folding mechanism, allowing you to set it up or pack it away in seconds. With no complicated assembly required, it's ideal for spontaneous outdoor lounging, whether you're at the beach, park, or garden. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.